So what sort of convincing is the question, sir? How did she convince people? Was money used to convince people, sir?
Do you think money convinces people?
You should tell us, sir. You should tell the people of Tamil Nadu.
Do you think
Sir,
money convinces
sir,
people?
This was what we've got on tape, and people have said these things.
No
You
chance.
should tell us, sir. You should tell us, sir.
No chance of money.
Okay.
All demonetization
So because you are a TTV Dinakaran loyalist yourself, who's also facing charges from the ED,
ADMK Amma loyalist.
Okay.
ADMK Amma loyalist.
But you have come out in support of TTV Dinakaran, who also faces charges that he paid money for the Tuli.
That is also pending before court.
Yes.
That is pending before
but
court.
Money is something that we can't rule out, sir.
See, money we can't rule out, but not for paying MLAs, not for paying to MPs. That we don't agree, because another thing, see, we use our common sense. It was at the time when demonetization happened. Do you think such huge money can be transferred? And our government was not there. It was.
So that is also another allegation that due to demonetization, money was not paid in whole. That's where several MLAs were disappointed also.
No, very sorry. We did not offer any money. Nobody took money. And unwantedly they pulled Mr. Fahmi Ansari and all. He came last day only to the assembly and signed. So nothing of that sort happened. It is just an allegation. But what Saravanan gave himself was a confession.
What about the DMK stand, sir? Today MK Stalin has come out and they've said that you should answer in the well of the house.
Yes,
there's
yes.
no answers coming.
There are 85 tapes pending in 2G. Conversation in between Kanimozhi, T. Raja, Shanmunathan, everything. That is also pending before court. If DMK is going to talk about this is also pending before court. There are so many allegations pending against DMK.
Finally, for the people of Tamil Nadu, what sort of assurance would you like to give that, because at this point in time there are serious questions being raised, that they have voted for people who are clean, but today money has come into the picture, which seems like it's more important than the people's mandate.
Money did not come into picture from our side. It is nowhere confessed from our side. The confession is from some other side. You ask this. You have to ask.
But he was also one of the MLAs who was being taken to Kuvatur, sir.
He says he gives a large complaint that he escaped from there. He says he was illegally taken, and now after that yesterday a confession in your TV. We saw that he was not forced to do all this. Then thank you.